Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Following that, before adding a new one, hit those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to, like snooze. When you finish, go back, and to create new alarm, tap on this plus at the bottom. Then set up an hour and save it by choosing OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you can adjust it however you want to. At the top, click on Add Label. Type in wherever you wish to and save your label by choosing OK. Then click on Days of the week that you wish to set up. And even click on this plus next to Pause Alarm to exclude some dates. Now you can save them by hitting OK and remove them by choosing this Remove button next to the chosen dates. After that, click on this bell icon. Download one of those sound sources by clicking on the chosen one and tapping on Install in Google Play Store. And then to use them, just log in. If you don't want to do it, you can always click on Sounds instead. Tap on Add New under Your Sounds and tap on any song from your device to set it up. You can also just pick one of those sounds, like for example, oxygen. Now manage haptic feedback for this alarm thanks to this dot next to Vibrate. And last but not least, hide all of those settings by clicking on the top right corner. If you wish to disable your alarm, tap on this switcher, in my case purple, next to it. And to switch it back on, click on the same, now grey one. To make all of your alarm settings visible, click on the top right corner. You can even change wherever you wish to. Lastly, to get rid of it completely, click on Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!